You'll never use the 45-minute flight time. Trust me, you won't. DJI's Air 3S Fly More costs $1,599, but the real-world battery life and camera quirks might surprise you. The 1-inch CMOS sensor is a genuine upgrade for low light. Sunsets and city lights look clean, with less noise than the Mini 4 Pro's smaller sensor. It pulls detail from shadows that cheaper drones crush into black. Dual cameras with 4K/60 frames per second HDR give you flexibility. The medium Tele lens is perfect for compressing distant mountains and travel shots, and switching between them is instant in flight. You get 2 looks without changing lenses. Omnidirectional sensing with LiDAR is a lifesaver for night flying. It actually sees obstacles in the dark, something the Air 3 and most rivals can't do. I flew through a tree line at dusk, and it braked smoothly. The RC2 screen controller is bright and snappy. Even in direct sunlight, you can see the feed clearly. It saves you from fumbling with a phone, and the built-in screen feels premium. Fly More combo value is solid. 3 batteries and a charging hub mean you can fly for over an hour total, and each battery charges in about an hour. The hub's power bank mode is a nice touch for field charging. Here's what you get. Enhanced camera for travel shots. Air 3S's 1-inch CMOS primary camera delivers breathtaking shots with enriched detail in low-light scenarios like sunsets and nightscapes. Capture footage with vibrant detail. Record cinematic 4K/60 frames per second HDR video with up to 14 stops of dynamic range 4. To see intricate cloud textures and other details during sunrise and sunset. And free panorama mode. Create seamless panoramic shots by stitching together images. Wide-angle panos offer a wider scope for selection. Medium telepanos provide high detail and less distortion. The 45-minute max flight time is a marketing lie. In real wins, with 4K recording, I got 31 minutes. That's still decent, but it's not the headline number, and the difference matters when you're chasing golden hour. The medium telecamera is only 1/1.3 inch. It's noticeably softer in low light than the main lens, and you'll see noise and shadows. For a $1,599 combo, you'd expect consistent quality across both cameras. No variable aperture means you'll need ND filters for daylight video. Otherwise, you're stuck at f/1.8, blowing out highlights. DJI sells a filter set, but that's another $79 on top of an already pricey kit. The RC2 controller doesn't work with DJI's older drones like the Mini 3 Pro, so if you're upgrading from a previous DJI, you'll need to buy a separate controller or stick with your old one. That's a hidden cost for ecosystem switchers. The Air 3S Fly More is a great travel drone, but at $1,599, the battery claim and telecamera quirks hold it back. If you need the best low-light and night safety, it's worth it. Otherwise, the Air 3 or Mini 4 Pro offer more value. Check the latest price for the Air 3S Fly More in the link below, and tell me if you'd spend $1,599 or save with the Air 3.